why don't I just skip buying ASM and put the money into inventory? And while this may sound like a good idea up front, there's a very big time cost here. By investing in ASM, you'll save time and you'll save money because you won't potentially miss out on making profit faster than if you tried to go at it alone.
Everything laid out in this program is designed to help you save money, save time, make more money, reduce stress, and reduce uncertainty as much as possible. Of course, we can't guarantee you'll succeed because the work you put into this is up to you, but it's much easier and the chances of success are much higher when you have a proven roadmap in front of you.
We know Amazing Selling Machine has the power to create change for you. You can build a business that gives you true security, freedom, and impact. However, you might still have reservations.
You might be thinking, what if it just doesn't work out? To eliminate that risk for you, ASM comes with an unconditional 100% 30-day money-back guarantee.
You get to try out over half of the 8-week online web class, try out the community, talk with mentors, and even access the private resource vault, all completely risk-free. If ASM isn't everything we've promised, then just let us know and you'll get your entire investment in the program back. As you can see, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain.
When I sit back and think about all the lives that have been transformed with ASM, I can't help but think of how many of them started right where you are today. They took the leap, got in ASM, and never looked back. Now they live lives of security, freedom, and impact. They have flexibility most people will never enjoy. Today's your turn. But you have to act now because registration for ASMX closes soon.
Once registration closes for the next 8 weeks while you go through the new online web class, the ASM mentors will be spending over 2,000 hours of dedicated support helping you build your own business. Now is the time to build the business that changes your life forever. Join me, Jason, Mike, Rich, the mentors, and all the ASM members today. But don't wait, because time is running out. Don't look back on this as the opportunity you should have taken. Grab your spot right now while you still can, and let's build a business that transforms your life together starting now. Click the button below this video to grab your spot at ASM before it's too late. We'll see you inside.
My husband has been selling on Amazon for 4 years. When I was at work, for me being used to be in the workforce for 18 years, I finally said to my husband, hey, you've been selling on Amazon a lot. Can I come home? Most people would need $50,000, $100,000 minimum to start a business, and years to get a return on it. This is it's the only time in history where someone could take $10,000 and create a business. It's not normal.
Signed up on the last day of ASM 4, and I'm so glad I did. Wish I would have signed up at ASM 2 now that I've heard about it for so long. But yeah, for me, what ASM has provided is not only a financial freedom, but really a lifestyle freedom for me to be able to do the things that I value and appreciate, which include things like being with my family more. My wife and I have 4 awesome kids, and we love hanging out with them, and we just got to take an adventure in Maui together, which was super fun, and all of that is because of what ASM has provided. So love the opportunities to live a lifestyle of freedom and to be able to do some things that we value and appreciate.
Every year over year, we've had exponential growth. I think we've doubled or more every single year on our sales. I mean, if you want to start your own business, what better way to do it than having a situation where you can run your business from anywhere in the world as long as you got a laptop and Wi-Fi. Don't hesitate on buying. It's just, there's so much room, and I think this is gonna take my company to the top level and be, if I can, a number 1 seller on my product. Bet on yourself. You're not buying a lottery ticket where you don't know if you're gonna win. You can bet on your own work, and so you can know what you do. So if you know that you personally can put in the work that it takes to get you to where you want to go, then bet on yourself.
So I was already in the physical products business, and when I heard about ASM and selling products online, it was like, okay, I can sell products in person, I can definitely sell products online. So I quickly launched my first product, probably within a week and a half or 2, and in the first 30 days, I was already at 30 grand in sales. Now I have a girlfriend that I love because I can actually hold a relationship. I'm not traveling all the time. I bought the house of my dreams. It's a 3,200 square foot home in
because of ASM? Everything I've seen has been absolutely